All right, I just lined my greased sheet pan with my phyllo dough. I'm next gonna come in with some melted butter and a little brush, and we're gonna do a nice little brush of butter on top of our entire sheet pan. We want this to be a delicious buttery dinner. All right, and we're gonna save the rest of that butter for later. I'm gonna move this to the side and bring in a medium bowl and a spatula. I have here my family size cream of chicken soup. And we're gonna get all of that out. I have my spatula to help me, but we are making a super easy one sheet pan dish that I think your family will love. So great for an easy weekday dinner. I have some shredded chicken. I just boiled some chicken and shredded it. And then some mixed vegetables right in there. I probably needed a bigger bowl now that I'm looking at that, but we're gonna quickly season this before we mix it in. And I have some garlic powder. This is a big serving, so we gotta season it well. And some onion powder. And that's all I'm using for my seasoning. I'm gonna keep it super simple. Probably stuff you already have in your seasoning drawer, but we're giving this a good mix. The cream of mushroom, the chicken, the mixed veggies. You can use fresh veggies or canned veggies, but I like frozen best. It's affordable and it adds some moisture as they cook. Okay, so let's give this a mix. This is coming together so beautifully. All right, this is perfectly mixed. So we're gonna bring back our sheet pan with our phyllo dough, and we are just gonna kind of scoop our chicken pot pie mixture right on top of our phyllo dough. We will give it a little bit of a spread, but we kind of just want some good pieces right on top of that dough. This is gonna be crispy, it's gonna be creamy, it's gonna be everything you want in a super easy dinner, and it'll only take you a couple minutes to put together. All right, I think I made too much of my chicken pot pie mixture, so you can cut the recipe in half, or you can make it and save the rest for something else. All right, that looks good. So now we're gonna kind of just spread it. Be kind of gentle because we don't want to ruin our phyllo dough. The butter does help it stay. And as we spread it, if we feel like it needs more, we can add more, but this smells so good. I love cream of chicken, so I do think it needs a little bit more. So maybe we did make the perfect amount. All right, that looks absolutely perfect. So I do have some extra phyllo dough. So we're gonna grab our phyllo dough and we're gonna do another layer right on top of our chicken pot pie mixture, just like so. All right, and like I said, we're gonna use the rest of that butter. We're gonna do another quick butter wash on top of our second layer of phyllo dough. Perfect. Now you could just leave it like this, but I am someone who loves cheese in her chicken pot pies. I know that's controversial, so I'm just gonna add a light little sprinkle of cheese on top of our second layer of phyllo dough. This will give it a nice little crisp, even though it's already gonna be really crispy, but I just love cheese, and so does my hubby.
Ooh, extra cheese, please.
So about, 1/4 of a standard bag of cheese should do it. And you can use whatever cheese you like. I just think chicken pot pie goes great with cheddar. Beautiful. All right, my oven is set to 375, and this is gonna be in there for about 25 minutes. Oh my. All right, our cheese got extra crispy. You can put it on like halfway if you don't want it as crispy, but this looks incredible. It is time to dig in. Let's see if we can, oh, do you hear that crunch?
Nice and crunchy.
Oh, this is gonna be delicious. Oh, look at that. A new take on chicken pot pie, and it's probably gonna be your favorite. Be careful, it's gonna be really hot.
Is it good?